In this video, we will show you how to create awareness and buy-in at the customer on a process-driven implementation approach as part of the implementation methodology. It also demonstrates your industry credibility and how to differentiate from your competition to gain even more trust and confidence in you as the chosen business integration partner. In the Strategize phase, partners use Mavim to demonstrate the business process catalog to potential new customers around the implementation of one or more Dynamics 365 applications. Partners can extend the out-of-the-box business process catalog with their own experience, industry knowledge, and specific ISV solutions. This helps partners to talk to their customers from a process perspective. Business owners and stakeholders can recognize themselves in the end-to-end processes, which makes it possible to create a shared understanding of the processes behind the implementation of Dynamics 365 and move away from features and functions demos. With Mavim, you can drive value discussion on outcomes and business impact. In Mavim, processes are visualized in different ways and described in easy-to-understand process flows. Per process, multiple use cases or scenarios are described in which these processes occur. In this video, we cover three main areas of understanding: process and configuration deliverables in Dynamics 365, process and the actual connection to Dynamics 365, and process and roles and functions. Let's start with the first one. The connection from a process into the real functionality of Dynamics 365 is described in configuration deliverables. This explains what needs to be configured in the Dynamics 365 applications to actually start executing this process. The Mavim platform facilitates deep links into the Dynamics 365 application to jump directly into the correct form. This helps the business owners and key stakeholders to understand the translation from the conceptual process into the actual Dynamics 365 functions and features. Secondly, this also works the other way. From a feature or function in Dynamics 365, you can easily look up what the process behind this feature is. The third angle to explain the impact of a Dynamics 365 implementation to potential new customers is to focus on the roles and functions that are affected by the implementation of Dynamics 365. Each process explains what activities are, by default, executed by what standard roles and functions. The Mavim platform automatically creates overviews of all processes and process activities per role and function. In this way, the impact on people, process, and technology becomes crystal clear. It's a foundation set to start with scoping workshops, fit gap analyses, and design workshops. Next to the roles and functions per process, there is also a central dashboard that shows an overview of all roles and the processes they play a role in. In the next video, as part of the Strategize phase, we will show you how to scope and report on the impact. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.